Q3 just started in Baku, and then Tristan, of course, is just sucked into the race right now. Today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is the one thing that is gonna make your car photography better. Just one thing that can improve your car photography and the pictures you take of cars. It's Saturday morning, and of course, if you guys have seen my previous videos, when it's Saturday morning and when I don't go up north to LA or OC area to get car shows up there, I go to SEC, Secret Car Club in Rancho Santa Fe. So let's go. Before I share the one tip to improve your car photography, let's hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll sequence. It's a perfect day to shoot. So that one tip that will make you a better car photographer is shooting more. I mean, it's just common sense, but it's so true. Just like playing basketball, you got it. Instead of like learning how to shoot the ball, watching videos, you need to go out and shoot yourself. Same thing as cooking. You know, you gotta start making food. You gotta learn how to cook and experience cooking instead of just watching Gordon Ramsay or any celebrity chef watch them how to make the food. So you got to actually do it yourself. That applies, of course, to car photography. So you got to go out and shoot more. Some of you guys might not be fortunate enough to come to these weekly Cars and Coffees with a good selection of cars to shoot, but it's okay. You guys could go to dealerships. You guys probably have a dealership nearby, like a Porsche dealership, a Mercedes dealership, whatever cars you're into. Just go to the dealerships and shoot. I mean, if you could talk to a salesperson or get friendly with someone, they'll actually bring the car out and then take you to a spot and shoot. That happened to me at Porsche San Diego. I got pretty close with one of the salespeople there, and he took me out in a Porsche Turbo and a Porsche Panamera Gran Turismo. So, you know, you could get those opportunities by just building relationships with those people. If there is like a monthly Cars and Coffee or a monthly car show in your neighborhood or in your city, I really do recommend scheduling for that day and just prioritizing that day for cars and shooting cars. And that's how you're gonna get better. You have to consistently shoot, consistently edit. Just being consistent and just you've got to put some effort into it. You can't just watch videos on YouTube and think that you're good enough to be a top photographer or a place where you want to be, or a place where you look up to. You got to actually put in the work. I'm not saying that watching videos and watching YouTube videos and tutorials isn't going to help you. It certainly will. It helped me a lot, but you have to incorporate that skill and that education into real life. In this case, getting a camera and start shooting. There's still a lot of cars out there. Let's go see if any more came, or let's go see them leave. it's funny because Tristan was just saying that nothing like this doesn't really excite him. Well, it somewhat excites me, but I do get what he's saying. Like, because we come here so often now, and you guys probably who watch this are like, holy crap, that's really crazy. But for us, we're sort of spoiled, so we don't really get excited by the cars here anymore. Like even the 720, 812, we're like, it's cool, but like it doesn't really excite us. But yes, going on getting better at car photography, really I hope this video sort of motivated you to go out and shoot, even if it's not even a Cars and Coffee like this, just at a dealership or your friend's car, anything. It doesn't even have to be a supercar or hypercar, just any car, and it'll really help develop your skills and improve your overall car photography skills. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I'll be doing more car photography tutorials and more specific, not just general like this. So if you guys want to see a specific car tutorial video, how focal length works, how aperture works, how shutter speed works, anything related to like specifics for car photography, please comment down that below. I'll see you guys in the next one.